What do I eat after a day of cold sandwich at work? I made this authentic Northern Chinese chili oil noodle in just 10 minutes. Simple, tasty, and quick. Save this for your next meal. First, boil thick noodles and some greens. At the same time, heat up some oil. Once the noodles are done, add 1 spoon of vinegars, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, some garlic, and some green onions. And Chinese barbecue chili flakes. You can find these at most Asian stores and it's not too spicy. Pour the hot oil over everything and give it a mix. That's it. Simple, quick, and so good. Follow me for more easy and quick after work Asian meals.